Hi, good morning mga loves. Ay, good afternoon na pala. So, today is our last day here in
We will find out.
Anbang Gold Coast, Dila.
Bear with me, it's very hot. I'm gonna sweat a
So,
lot when
nakapak
we
na
arrive
kami,
at the
ready
beach.
to go na sa
It's
different
gonna be worth it.
hotel.
Okay, let's
Dito
go.
pa rin yan sa Vietnam.
So here you can see
Tanah.
some
Iba yung sa Saigon.
motorbike helmets.
Tinatawag silang Saigon, tapos Tanang. So,
If you allow
nagre-ready na
you
siya.
buy your own helmets. Don't take the used
Hey.
ones. It's pretty nasty, I think, if you ask me. You can get some very cheap
Ang ganda na
luggage,
shampoo nila.
$10 hand luggage.
Ang bango. Simple lang yung bango, hindi nakakasawa.
Barum bakery.
So, ayan.
And here you can see
Re-ready muna ako.
some chicken places. I think they're preparing the chicken. They're washing the chicken. Some pharmacies there. What is that? Oh, some bag stores. Lots of bag stores. Lots of stores. And karaoke bars. So you can always rent out some rooms and have karaoke with your friends. This street is also interesting for food. It's like a little side street here. Here you can get coffee, salt coffee for 15K. That's like 70 cents. Some convenience stores. A SIM card. You can buy SIM cards here. And phone replacement. Okay. they're
So,
working-
pinaka-what?
Should we ask how much
Let's
a SIM
get
card
the
is?
phone fixed.
Let's
See if
ask.
we get that phone fixed.
Okay.
Hello. And how much is
So,
a SIM
pinapakuha
card?
ko ng mister ko ng 3 million sa wallet niya.
300. Okay. And
3
how much
million.
is
So, 1,
like data?
2,
3 gigabytes per day.
3.
Okay, thank you so much. So,
1,
300K is
3.
12
4, meron siyang 4 million
for 1 month.
500,000
3 gigabytes a day. That means
plus yung kanyang
90
dollar dito.
90 a month. Okay, it's pretty good. But yeah, I did not try this one out. I usually go to the big one.
So, meron ng pera, 3 million.
Viettel. That's
You got
what I
three?
use.
Yes, I got
went there
3
with my
million.
passport And got a,
Ang yaman ko.
got a SIM card.
Tara na mga guys, may
And
million
also
ako.
topped it up with 500K,
So
and
that's
then I
it
just
for
can
now.
do
Kami
everything
ay
on my app.
aalis na. At lilipat na kami sa ibang hotel.
Okay, so here we have a
Bye.
sketchup store.
Hindi namin natara itong Kulambo. Kasi nanonood siya ng balita. May lisa sa balita tapos. Ngayon may pinanonood siyang ayan, vlogger. Kasi dyan namin malalaman kung saan yun. Buffet, seafoods buffet. So yun. That's it. Bye-bye.
Uncle Coffee Shop. Oh, Charlie.
Mga loves, andito na kami sa sa Grab na tinatawag nilang Grab taxi. Tapos tatawag ka na sa kanila, nandiyan na sila in 1 minute, 2 minute, pinakamatagal 8 minutes. So ihahatid na niya kami sa aming patutunguhan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lugar dito. Para lang din siyang Makati. Ayan. Tignan niyo yung special mobile. Kung gusto mo sumakay dyan, special din yung bayad mo. I'm filming over here. Yung Makati. Yung building sa kanila, simple lang. Yung tinatayo, hindi ba siya tapos? Ganyan na yung bayan. Napakalinis rito. Lalo na sa natunuluyan namin. Malinis siya. Ang daming special na car dito. Special din kasi yung bayan. May ginagawa ritong building, bagong building. Sa Ayun yung bagong building. Hindi ko maintindihan yung pangalan. Basta Newtown. Haubin. Yan yung pronounce. Kayo na mag-pronounce. Mahina ako sa pronunciation. Sa totoo lang. Kaya yung teacher namin pag tinatawag kami sa harapan, nagtatago talaga ako.
Joey.
Yung mga puno rin na dito, parang tuyot na siya pero ang gandang tignan. Ayan di ba? Tuyot pero ang gandang tignan.
You okay?
Yes.
Expensive, right? Expensive. Statue.
That's all statue expensive. Maybe not. Yeah, how much you think, Papa, each one of them?
Oh, that's gotta be, you talking in
Anh chị
dollars?
có muốn dừng lại ở
Dạ.
Ngũ Hành Sơn
$2,500,
và tham quan
maybe more.
cơ sở đó đi khác
Maybe
Paris trong
10,000.
vòng 15 phút không?
Maybe $10,000, maybe more.
Dạ.
Would you like to stop at NGU Han Sun and go through that facility for free within 15 minutes?
No. Good time there. I'm done there.
Oh, look at that. Din. Kita niyo pa yan?
And that's cave.
Bundok. Sabi na miss na ako, nakatira daw siya doon sa tuktok niya.
Down here, huh?
Yeah.
Down here was all jungle.
Oh, yung jungle pa daw yan dati. Ngayon hindi na natin alam. Jungle. Old.
Rice paddies.
What year?
Little village here and there.
What year?
1970.
Oh, yeah. I'm still in my mother belly.
You're in a dream.
Yeah. I was born for you. And you was born for me.
She's like, you missed that.
Kumantay, no? Sweet. Itik na rin yan. Ang ganda
Oh,
ng
look at
building
this.
nila.
Oh, this is the Crown Club. Oh, this is where I want to go, honey.
Papa, your hand.
Oh, I'm sorry. But that's where I need to go. I'm going there maybe tomorrow night.
Maybe they get
No, not tomorrow night, the 19th.
Okay.
They got poker.
Yeah,
Gotta make some money.
of course.
Then there's another one up north too. There's a couple of them. But
Meron po dito duty free.
we're pretty close now already.
Ganda ng lugar dito.
Yeah.
I said the place is beautiful.
Yeah.
Highway nila rito.
We were early. It's only
May arrow,
12:30.
di ba? Arrow. So, kumakanta si Kuya. Naririnig niyo ba?
Yes, ma'am. See, there's the Buddha lady down there right there now.
Đủ chưa?
Okay.
Đủ chưa?
See her? Yeah, we're here.
Here na mga loves. Hanggang dito na lamang ang mini vlog ko, chat. At malapit na kami sa aming patutunguhan. Nakikita
See,
na
I
namin
told
si...
you it was flat.
Yeah, that one we see, the guy you just watch,
There's
vlogger.
a Mia, then the other one over there is. So we're here. We're like a couple of blocks away.
Bye! So mga love, nandito na kami sa hotel.
But you see how thin it is?
Yeah,
They pay taxes, right,
yeah,
on the width of the building.
yeah.
So if you got a large,
Yeah.
wide building, you pay more taxes. It's not about the height; it's about the width.
Okay, let me take care my vlog there.
We need our passport.
Right here.
You got it right there.
Where we go?
Right there, you do.
Happy anniversary. So, nag-toast po kami. Welcome drink para sa anniversary. Eee! So, mga loves. Mm. Alam niyo mga loves, yung nakausap naming sa isang hotel na pinuntahan namin, Villa. Ang bait niya, pangalan niya Sini. Hindi ko alam po na-accept ko siya sa Facebook kasi iba yung salita nila eh. So, imi-message ko na lang siya mamaya pagkatapos namin dito. Ang pabait nila. Napaka-friendly nilang tao. Pero sabi nini, it depends sa mga nakakasalamuha mo. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang sa isang lugar, lahat ng lugar mayroong masasama, may mabubuti, may mababait, mga ganyan. So, yun. Right now, I'm continuing what I'm doing. Let me show you something. Meron ditong Pocari Sweat 15 dong. Ito sa atin, di ba, nasa 68 peso to. Ko-convert ko na lang yan. Ito yung kanilang elevator. Tapos meron sila rito. Yung parang ito yung nila. Yung hinahalo sa food, di ba? Nakalimutan ko yan. Nandito na po kami sa Paris. Tapos ito yung lobby nila. Lobby. Tapos ang ganda oh.
Thank you very much.
I was wondering if somebody could help us with. We're looking to go up to the Pana Hills.
Ang ganda. Tapos, diba, dito ko yung hotel. Andun lang yung yung ocean, yung beach, or whatever. Dagat. Dagat na lang kasi nahihirapan ako kung ano-anong tawag dyan. May ocean na far, day after day, char. Tapos, tapos may beach. So, diba? Tapos, kaya lang itawag na lang natin dyan, dagat. Dagat na lang kasi. Pasosyal pa, kung ano pa yun, dagat na lang. Languyan ng tao, char. So, sila, sasalita sila ng hindi natin maintindihan. Hindi rin naman na ako naintindihan. Alam niyo mga loves, isang bagay ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Ako lang ang Pilipina yata rito, promise. Kasi lahat sila nakatingin sa akin. Parang usan niyang galing. Negrita. Pero in fairness, negrita naman din yung iba. So yun, share ko lang. Continuous natin to ulit mamaya. Pag nasa room na kami. Bye. For now.
That's
So
what
may pupunta kami sa
That's where we want
may,
to go early.
sa may
Yeah,
bundok
not
daw.
many people.
Yeah.
That's one. They call it the 8 or 9 a.m.
So,
Many people.
sinabi niya sa amin na mas magandang oras pumuntas ng 7:30 para ma-enjoy pa namin yung pre-breakfast ng hotel nila. Sabi ko, salamat sa pagpapaalala niya. Gusto namin yun. free breakfast. So, nakakatawa, hindi katulad sa may Cambodia. Wala talaga marunong mag-English. Pero dito, kinaramihan sa kanila marunong mag-English. Diba?
And you put the toll payment up from the check. When you check,
O diba? Naririnig din siya.
Okay, all right.
Kasi siya nagsasalita ng ibang salita ng lingwahe. O, tapos sa mag-English. Depende kung sino nakakasalumuha nila. Lahat ng lingwahe alam nila. Tagalog lang ang hindi nila pala alam. So, yan. Share ko lang mga loves. Kaya mamaya na ulit. So, nandito kami ngayon sa inside na loob na elevator. Pupunta kami sa may 22 floor. Nakakahilo. 10 floor pa lang to. So, ayan. So, right there.
You just opened it.
Ay, sorry.
You want to hold on to these, son?
I get a lot of things to hold on.
I know,
Water.
baby. You're my girl.
Can you put this in your
Man,
pocket?
No, I'm not going to put it in my pocket.
14th floor. She don't want it.
We can eat something too.
O yan, punta kami sa may Ah, yun. Ito na, malapit na kami. 21, 22.
$6 for a hamburger.
That's it. So, yan. Yung bar, meron silang gym. Oh my God, ito na yung mas maganda rito sa lahat. Lalangoy ako, star. I said, I jump. I go swim. So, ayan yung pool. Tapos, yung doon banda, makikita mo na yung ocean. Wait a second, Papa.
Let's look at the beach.
Yes. I just put right here.
Oh, that's a whole
Yes.
different hotel.
So, ito. Oh my gosh, guys. Makikita niyo, diba? Oh, OMG, nakakalula. Oh my gosh. Scary. Ayan, oh. Oh my God, nice view. Tumitingkeda. Malapit na po yung white lady sa amin. Ayun, nakita niyo yung white lady. Ayan, yung white lady, yung white lady. Parang nakakatakot siya. Parang may fountain is that water in the lake there. Okay. Magdadress na muna kami. So, ayun ko pa. Mas hanggang doon pa siya, oh. Ayan. Iaakyat ko kayo. Tapos ayan yung paliguan niya. Iakyat ko kayo sa hagdan.
Look at this. You missed it, huh?
See that? They got swimming pool to over there, oh. Ang ganda rito, mga labs. So, ito pa po yung restaurant nila. I think so, in my bag. Ayan. Ang kanilang restaurant. See that? Ah. Dito yun sa may Paris. Ano ba? Kalimutan ko yung name. Gusto ko lang pakita muna sa inyo yung view. Mango shake? Mango shake. Mango.
What do you want, shake juice?
No, mango shake.
smoothie and juice.
No. Sa mga labs, dito na kami. 18. There, oh. 18.
Oh, yeah.
18:10. All the way. Good morning. Oh, ito na ang aming mga labs. Ito na aming room. Just tap the card. And here we go. This is our room. Oh, she sit in the view, but not.
Facing the wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh, no, there's a view.
Where? Oh, yes. Oh, nice.
I'll show you.
So, akala namin hindi kami nilagay sa makikita namin yung view kahit paano. Akala namin sa back, sa likod kami. So, ito po ang aming room. This is our room. Yes.
The shower's full.
Bathroom.
Look how small
Safe.
the shower. Oh. Small shower.
And this is a coffee. Same in the purse. Oh, right there, the luggage.
Yes.
The first hotel we went. Come inside. And this is the bathroom. Small but beautiful. I'm so happy. So this is the
Milk tea,
toilet.
coffee free.
Mom.
Bar. Tiger Messi water pipe.
Okay.
And, long reason.
Okay, let me ask you a question. The safe?
Say,
How do I use that? The safe.
I call engineer.
Yun na yung kinalabasan ng ano. Tapos sinabog ko yung pera doon kasi bibigyan namin siya ng... So, ayan. Ang cute. Thank you. Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a good day.
So, pinakita niya dito yung hair dryer. Diba? Tapos yung bed, apakalinis. Tapos may, ano, may sleeper. They have a own sleeper.
What? Oh, there we go.
Tapos tissue rito.
Got what, hon?
Sleeper there if you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
This the woman is just talking before.
Small room, right?
Yeah, but it's good for us. Yeah.
Not good
So-
for us. I gotta figure out that it's too low for me, honey.
Low, what
To
the
figure out that damn safe. They always do that stuff in hotels.
So, ayun muna sa ngayon, ang aking maipapakita. Nanonood kami ng Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. HBO. Tan, 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 tan. So, mga loves, tapos na kami sa hotel, kaya ito na may ipapakita namin sa inyo. Dahil nga anniversary namin, gusto akong i-treat ng jowa ko. Nung gusto akong i-treat ng mister ko, seafoods. Sa ano, babay. Ay, ito yung nakikita ko sa ano, oh. Ano yan? Tapos ayun daw yung ano, lobster, oh, diba? Ayan. So, alam nyo kung magkano yung cost niya, 1,000, 2,000. Depende sa timbang. Pero yung pinakamababa nila, 2,000. Wait lang. So, ito, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag dito. 1.8 kilo. So, ayan. Fresh nilang, ano, fresh na bibili mo. Tapos, siyempre, iluluto nila yan.
Okay, we'll see.
Na masarap. So, ayun. Nangangambas kami. Mayroon. Ano dito? Pagpagi ba yan? Ano yan? Ay, ano yan? What is this? What is
Oh,
that?
the horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe, ah?
Yeah.
Horseshoe crab daw. Malay ko ba sa kanila? Ayan siya, crab. Crab din siya, pero bakit may ano? May sombrero. So, ayan o, lalo ko.
These guys sting you, they hurt you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Ito narinig niya. Dito ako natutuwa, oh. Oh, diyan ka pa, So, yun. What's that?
Doesn't find a lot.
So, ayan. So, ang dami nilang pagpipilian, no, YouTube. Meron din sila ditong isda, oh. So, kailangan namin maghanap pa ng mas mababa.
650.
So, yung pinaliwanag niya. 1 kilo.
What does the lobster come with? What?
Yeah, we have the bottle calisot and the cheese barbecue steam and carrot and spicy, very everything.
ano nakakamangha kasi lahat dito magaling mag-English.
Follow me to the lobster.
We're gonna walk a little bit. We're trying to.
Okay. You walk in.
We're still a little full.
Ay mga loves. So kinancel namin yung sa may tawag dyan, sa may seafoods. Kasi alas 8 pa raw. Gutom na kami. Kaya dito kami napadpad sa mamaya ko papakita yung pangalan, nakalimutan ko. So tapos meron silang pakwe. Hindi ka pa umu-order, pero na silang
How you
pakwe.
gonna have a pizza?
Pizza?
Yeah.
So, yan, nag-order na sila. Sabi ko kahit ano kasi
You wanna with the-
mahalaga yung kumain ka, di ba? So, pinipilit ako ng mister ko na steak daw yung order. Sabi ko ayoko no kasi nakatikim na nga ako ng steak.
The Parma ham.
So, yung sa may seafoods na lobster,
Burrata, pamaham, pizza.
fully booked sila. Tapos
And how big is that?
gusto ng
For two?
For two people, yes. Yeah.
nakausap namin.
And I want a beer.
Magpa-reserve kami sa ibang araw. Eh, gusto nga ng
You want a
mister ko.
salad, honey?
Yes. Yeah.
What kind of salad you want?
What kind of salad there?
Extra for you.
You have a
Caesar?
you have a Caesar salad?
Caesar salad? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Caesar salad.
Just Caesar salad.
One Caesar salad.
Yes,
One
one.
Caesar salad,
Yeah.
one
Is that only small, right? I don't like too big. Just
Don't worry,
small.
I'll help.
Oh.
It's not for two people, yeah. You want to Caesar salad and pizza pick up together or salad first? You want to pick up together?
So yun nga mga loves, sa mister ko yung steak. Ayoko nga na-cancel yung sa may seafoods. Kaya
Crap.
dito na lang kami. Sabi ko sa kanya, dito na lang.
Tell us.
Oh, yan.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's not available, sir.
So, ayan. Ang ganda.
We
Excuse
have
me.
the drop here.
O, diba? Tapos ayun yung niluluto nila. So, mas maganda dito kumain kasi ang social na. Medyo, hindi naman siya makamahalan na ano. Ang social na ng dating. Nakakatuwa. Tapos yung pangalan niya, Lee4. Yan, diyan kami. Tapos meron ditong 14, basta yun na yung may parang magkakasosyo sila. So, yes.
And that's a good sign.
Is enough for two daw. Tapos ang kulit ng ano nila, di ba? May mga ganto pa. Ching mga lang siyang lang oh, tapos hanggang dun siya. Oh. Dito yan sa may Lifor. So, yun. Gusto ko lang i-share. Siyempre, ito ang kaming dalawa. Kasi ito nga pala ang pinasuot niya to sa akin. Pero gusto niyang ipabalot yung katawan ko. Kaya nilagyan ko siya ng fondue na may design. So, yun. So, kakain kami ng bread. Yung bread. Priam bread. Okay?
Mom. These are little pastries. These are good, hon. You like that?
Kakain muna ako. It's spicy.
But they got an answer, huh?
So, kakain muna kami, ha?
Oh, look, now we have a table for you.
Bye.